working with new technologies. It's a new experience all the time. The project we're working on is the aeroelastic in-flight power generation for unmanned aerial vehicles.
The technologies we utilize for this project involve 3D printing, ground vibration testing, testing in the wind tunnel, a lot of different data acquisition technologies, graphene supercapacitors.
The graphene supercapacitor can replace a heavy lithium-ion battery with a very lightweight battery to make the airplane lighter and fly longer. The aerospace group, they're providing the end product that's going to use these technologies. Students can learn something about how to use one focused technology to do many different things rather than just what their discipline requires.
One team negotiates with the other team. They invent some ways to make this project done in the design and the testing. Very important thing is teamwork.